Ladies and gentlemen, as the oil crisis continues to worsen, as we see the crude oil price going up, we now potentially faced with a bigger crisis with the private credit market. The private credit market, in a nutshell, is one which companies, not financial institutions like banks, lend money to companies that have no ability or don't have the time and the resources to go through lending with a prim and proper bank. Usually, these private credit companies would raise funds from other sources and lend to these companies that are potentially deemed as higher risk. But in normal times, that will be okay because they will be diversified, interest rate is low enough and whatsoever. But right now, we are faced with a bigger problem because in 2020 to 2021, when there was a massive borrowing from the private credit market, the interest rate was very low as the central bank was aggressively lowering interest rate to encourage people to borrow. Right now, 5 years later, where all these private credit loans are now due for refinancing or due for payment, the interest rate now is very high. A lot of these companies might not be able to handle the refinancing or repayment. And as a result, we now have what we call gated withdrawal. So all these private credit companies are restricting or limiting all the lenders from withdrawing their money. This thing is going to blow up really big. Let's watch on and see to monitor whether this thing blows up in a big way.